Assalamu alaikum guys. In this video we'll talk about 3 artisan commands that will make our work easier. The first command is showing the database details using which we artisan db show. And as we can see here, it returns the information about database connection. So we use MySQL here on port 3306 and the total size. So instead of, for example, opening the phpMyAdmin, you can reach this data faster from here. And also it returns the tables as we can see. And if you want to see the details of a table, you can say here PHP Artisan model show, and you can specify the model name, for example, user model here. And if we check, it shows that it uses the user model here, and the database connection is MySQL, and it uses table users. And for example, if we change it protected, and we will say table will be test users like this. If we rerun it again, as we can see here, test users, but there is no information about attributes or columns. So I will take it back, and let's see the result of this code here. It returns the attributes or columns have ID, it's a varchar, timestamps for verified ad, created ad, and we have an accessor but not a column here. This one test, we have get test attribute as we can see, and also it returns the relations inside user model. So process relation here has many or morph one image here, and also notifications morph many, which comes from notifiable tray. The last one is to reach the Laravel documentation faster using which we artisan and say docs, and we will say a prompt here. So here is the option. If we click in the arrow down, here we can see the documentation. For example, you can search by saying controllers, for example. Here, if I hit enter, it will open the controllers documentation. So here's quickly some tips about artisan commands. If you find it useful, support me by clicking on like, share and subscribe. See you next video.